Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious ice cream by hand. First, gather your ingredients, including heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and your chosen flavorings like vanilla extract. You won't need any special equipment beyond a few bowls and a whisk. We'll start by creating a rich, creamy base on the stovetop, ensuring all the sugar dissolves perfectly. This simple process sets the foundation for a truly delightful frozen treat. Now, let's prepare our ice cream base. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of heavy cream with 1 cup of whole milk. Add 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar and whisk everything together until well combined. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until the sugar completely dissolves. Do not let it boil, just warm it enough to ensure a smooth, sweet base for your ice cream. Once your base is ready, it's crucial to chill it thoroughly. Transfer the mixture to an airtight container and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or even overnight. When it's completely cold, pour the base into a shallow, freezer-safe pan, like a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Place it in the freezer and stir it vigorously every 30 minutes for 2 to 3 hours, breaking up any ice crystals. After 2 to 3 hours of stirring, your ice cream will start to thicken. This is the perfect time to incorporate your favorite flavorings, like 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract or perhaps some chocolate chips or fruit puree. Mix them in well, then return the ice cream to the freezer for a final freeze until it's firm enough to scoop. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, creamy treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.